the beginning, it's really the blue team that's the best. So.
Mayakang to. Lele, ganun pala dito. Sige na.
Although, as concerned team captain, although at the very start we could sense that the referee was actually biased. He had sympathy over the red team. Because of the word, sayang, kunti na lang.
But the only problem but we're just really good. Oh, the representatives little kids. Oh, let's hear from Carla. Oh, let's hear from Carla. Something. Puro kami yun. Yun ang analysis. Marami kaming error. Kaya,
Yung unang mga game, malakas ang red. Nung nakascore sila ng mga triples, tinamad na kayo. Ayaw na tumakbo.
okay. Red team, blue team, Auckland anniversary.